Navajo words from Culture and Traditions winter video. How to say Arizona in Navajo. Hozdo hahodzo. Hozdo is hot. Hahodzo is territory. Navajo is referring to Phoenix. How to say New Mexico in Navajo. Yo to hahodzo. Yo is bead, to is water, hahodzo is territory. Yo to hahodzo translates Santa Fe as beadwater place. Culture. What's your overall philosophy of harmony, wellness, beauty, central to Navajo culture? January. Yasnicht Ace. Zasnicht Ace from the different states. Zasnicht Ace, Yasnicht Ace in January. Same again. Yasnicht Ace, Zasnicht Ace. Winter. High. Tradition. Ina be nihiho dilzenigi. Storytelling. Hanet. Ceremony. Hatrath. Cold. Desk-az. Teach. Natnetien. Zasbetradikis, New Mexico. Yasbetradikis in Arizona. Prepare. Hashte hodenet. Prepare. Hashte hodenet. To make ready for a specific future purpose. Navajo shoe game. Kesh J. Play. Na-net. Daytime creatures. Jingonaltloshi. Night creatures. Tlegonaltloshi. Day is G. Night is Tlego. Grandma teaching you words only from the previous January video. Practice these words. We can try making sentences from these words as well. Happy hugs from Navajo Grandma. I love you guys.